Welcome to our tutorial on applying mates. Right now, only the first instance of the washer is mated to the lid. In our specification tree, we see the coincident and concentric mates right here. When I mouse over them, they're highlighted in the graphic area. The rest of the washers, which we created by applying linear pattern and mirror function, haven't been made yet. I'll activate the mate function. Let me zoom in. I'm going to right-click, select Other. Let's select this face, Washer 7. Right-click, select Other. Now select the face of the lid and add a coincident mate relationship. Click Accept. Select this face and this one. Choose concentric mates and click OK. Accept. The rest of the washers can be mated in the same fashion. And this concludes our tutorial on applying mates.